Hi, are you getting error messages while trying to open the Word document? Such problems are caused due to corruption or damage, and virus is one of the common reasons for Word file to get corrupt. Whatever might be the reasons for corruption, it is possible to repair the corrupted file using a good repair tool. Let me demonstrate the repair process clearly. This is my Word document. When I'm trying to open it, it is displaying an error message, due to which I'm not able to view the contents in it. And now it's asking if I want to recover the contents in Microsoft Word. Even after clicking yes, I'm not able to view its contents. Now I will make use of a repair tool to repair my corrupted Word file. To get the tool, open the browser and visit wordfilerepairtool.net. I will download this tool and install it on my computer. Now, upon running the installed tool, this is the home screen. Here, I need to select my corrupted Word file. Just click the Browse button and select the corrupted file. Now, I will click on the Repair button to repair my corrupted file. Wait till the repair process completes. Once the process completes, a window appears to select the destination path to save the repaired file. Now, click on Browse to choose the path and click Save. After the saving process completes, the output folder gets opened, containing the repaired Word file. As you can see, my Word file is repaired successfully. Thanks for watching. For more details, visit wordfilerepairtool.net.